Welcome to our exploration of the pivotal organizations that govern, regulate, and champion the growth of international tourism and aviation sectors. These entities play a crucial role in shaping the global landscape of travel and tourism. Our agenda today covers the key global players in tourism and aviation. We'll delve into the roles of UNWTO and UN Tourism, IATA and ICAO, industry federations, regional and sectoral bodies, and conclude with key takeaways. UNWTO, Global Tourism's Guiding Hand. International Tourism Organizations. Establishment, 1st November 1975. Headquarters, Madrid, Spain. Current Secretary-General, Jurab Pololikashvili. Membership, 159 member states, 6 associate members, 2 observers, and over 500 affiliate members. Key functions. Sets tourism policies, provides technical guidance, supports capacity building, formulates ethical principles, and promotes sustainable tourism practice. IATA and ICAO, Guardians of the Skies. IATA, International Air Transport Association. Established 19 April 1945, Havana, Cuba. Headquarters, Montreal, Canada. Executive offices in Geneva, Switzerland. Current DG and CEO, Willie Walsh. Function, Trade Association for Airlines, standardizes and regulates international air travel, promoting safety and efficiency. Represents over 80% of global air traffic. ICAO, International Civil Aviation Organization. Established 7 December 1944, Chicago Convention. Headquarters, Montreal, Canada. Current Secretary-General, Juan Carlos Salazar. Function, a UN specialized agency that coordinates international civil aviation standards and practices, ensuring aviation safety, air navigation, and security among 193 member states. UFTA and ASTA, empowering travel agents. UFTA, Universal Federation of Travel Agents Associations. Established 22 November 1966, Rome, Italy. Headquarters, Monaco. Function, world body representing travel agents and tour operators, promoting professionalism, protecting interests, and facilitating negotiation and dispute settlement for its 80 national associations. ASTA, American Society of Travel Advisors. Established 20 April 1931, New York City. Headquarters, Alexandria, Virginia, USA. Function, represents the interests of travel advisors in the US, providing ethical standards, professional development, and advocacy for its over 25,000 members. The Pacific Asia Travel Association, established in 1951, is dedicated to sustainable tourism growth in the Asia-Pacific region. It fosters collaboration, conducts research, and advocates for responsible tourism practices, with its headquarters in Bangkok, Thailand. The World Travel and Tourism Council, founded in 1990, represents the global private sector of travel and tourism. Headquartered in London, it influences governments and promotes best practices, driving economic and social benefits worldwide. In summary, these organizations collaborate to set global standards, advocate for industry interests, promote sustainable development, and enhance global connectivity. Their collective efforts are vital for the growth and cultural exchange in tourism. Now, let's shift our focus to India, exploring the key associations and bodies that shape its tourism landscape. We'll examine their impact on the national and regional levels, highlighting their contributions to the industry. Our agenda for India's tourism landscape includes understanding the global reach of IHRA, exploring the cornerstones of Indian tourism, examining the government's role, regional dynamics, and the crucial support provided by the Airport Authority of India. The International Hotel and Restaurant Association stands as a global voice for the hotel and restaurant industry. Established in 1946, it advocates for excellence and sets foundational standards representing the industry's interests worldwide. Cornerstones of Indian Tourism, TAI, IATO, and FRI. India's vibrant tourism sector is anchored by key associations that drive ethical practices, promote growth, and ensure high standards. These bodies represent the diverse facets of travel, from agents to operators and the entire hospitality ecosystem. 1. TAI, Travel Agents Association of India. Established 1951, Mumbai. Key facts: founded by 12 leading agents, over 2,500 members across 20 regional units. Member of IATA's APJC. Role: Main Association for Indian Travel Agents, fostering ethical practices and engagement with national international bodies. 2. IATO, Indian Association of Tour Operators. Established 1982, Delhi. Key facts: 2,000 plus members, represents inbound tour operators approved by the Ministry of Tourism. Minimum foreign exchange earning requirement of 25 lakh rupees annually. Role: promotes responsible tourism, sets standards, and lobbies for better tourism policy for inbound operations. 3. FRI, Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Associations of India. Established 15th April 1955, New Delhi. Key facts: founded by 4 regional associations, represents 60,000 hotels and 500,000 restaurants, over 3,800 member establishments. Role: represents the entire Indian hospitality sector, ensuring standards, training, and industry development. Government's role: ITDC and ICPB. India Tourism Development Corporation, ITDC. As a public sector undertaking, ITDC plays a crucial role in developing and managing tourism infrastructure, including the renowned Ashok Group of hotels. It's integral to the government's strategy for tourism growth. Established 1st October 1966. Headquarters, New Delhi. Key facts: public sector undertaking under Ministry of Tourism, Government of India owns 87.03%, operates Ashok Group of Hotels brand. India Convention Promotion Bureau, ICPB. ICPB is the only travel industry body with participation from the entire MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions industry, positioning India as a prime destination for global events. Established 1988. Headquarters, New Delhi. Key facts: sponsored by Ministry of Tourism, members include state governments, hotels, airlines, tour operators, and event managers. State tourism development corporations in India tailor tourism initiatives to local culture, heritage, and attractions, contributing uniquely to the national tourism narrative and enhancing regional tourism experiences. Crucial support: Airport Authority of India, AAI. The Airport Authority of India is the cornerstone of air travel infrastructure, managing and maintaining airports across the nation. Its role is fundamental to connectivity and the seamless flow of tourists, both domestic and international. Established 1st April 1995. Headquarters, Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan, Safdarjung Airport, New Delhi. Current Chairman, Sanjeev Kumar. Formation: formed by the merger of International Airports Authority of India, 1972, and National Airports Authority of India, 1986. Key functions: manages 137 airports, 34 international, 10 customs, 81 domestic, 23 civil enclaves. Manages and maintains airport infrastructure and air navigation services across India. Ensures safety, efficiency, and modernization of Indian airports to support growing air traffic and tourism. India's tourism landscape is a complex ecosystem, thriving on global advocacy, national associations, government initiatives, regional development, and robust infrastructure, ensuring India remains a compelling global destination. India's rich cultural heritage is safeguarded by dedicated institutions that protect, preserve, and promote the nation's legacy. Explore the key organizations that play a vital role in maintaining India's cultural wealth. Our agenda unveils India's cultural custodians, including the Archaeological Survey of India, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Tourism, key transport ministries, and industry associations, highlighting their collaborative efforts in tourism and heritage. Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, established 1861. Founder, Alexander Cunningham, first Director General. Headquarters, Dharohar Bhavan, New Delhi. Portfolio, protects 3,693 monuments of national importance. Structure, divided into 34 circles, each led by a superintending archaeologist. Motto, Uncover the Ancient. The ASI is the premier organization responsible for archaeological research and the protection of cultural heritage in India. Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Established as independent ministry, 1st June 2006. Historical evolution, evolved from the Ministry of Scientific Research and Cultural Affairs, 1961, with various reorganizations leading to its current form. Current Minister, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Functions: preserves and disseminates India's arts, heritage, and culture. Supports cultural festivals, performing arts, and museums nationwide. Supplements heritage tourism initiatives by linking cultural sites to visitor experiences. The Ministry of Culture plays a pivotal role in promoting India's diverse artistic and cultural expressions. Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. Promoting Incredible India. Established as independent ministry, 1967. Earlier history, roots trace back to the Tourist Traffic Committee, 1948, and a separate Department of Tourism, 1958. Current Minister, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat. Functions: Primary Government Department for Tourism Policy, Promotion, and Overseas Marketing. Coordinates central and state initiatives to develop tourism infrastructure and services. Manages major schemes like Swadesh Darshan, integrated development of theme-based tourist circuits, and Prasad, pilgrimage rejuvenation and spiritual heritage augmentation drive. Enabling access, transport ministries. Seamless connectivity is crucial for cultural tourism, facilitated by key transport ministries. Ministry of Railways. Established, Railway Board March 1905. Key milestones: first passenger train in India, 1853, Bombay to Thane. Indian Railways established, 1951, by amalgamating 42 companies. Functions: provides vital tourist transport, including luxury trains like the Palace on Wheels, and develops railway infrastructure to enhance tourist accessibility to remote heritage sites. Ministry of Civil Aviation. Established, Depth of Civil Aviation 1927. Key milestones: first commercial flight in India, 1911, continuous reorganization to meet modern aviation needs. Functions: regulates, develops, and modernizes India's civil aviation sector and airport networks, crucial for both inbound and outbound tourism connectivity, making cultural destinations more accessible globally. National Tourism and Hospitality Associations. These Indian organizations represent and advocate for various sectors within the tourism and hospitality industry, playing a critical role in its growth and regulation. TAI, 1951. The Travel Agents Association of India is the oldest and largest association for travel agents promoting ethical practices and industry growth. IATO, 1982. The Indian Association of Tour Operators focuses on inbound tourism, advocating for policies that attract international visitors to India. FRI, 1955. The Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Associations of India represents over 60,000 hotels and restaurants, shaping hospitality standards. ITDC, 1966. India Tourism Development Corporation is a government corporation that develops tourism infrastructure, including hotels, transport, and duty-free shops. Global partners in tourism development. International organizations are key in shaping global tourism policies and promoting sustainable practices. UNWTO. The UN World Tourism Organization, established 1975, headquartered in Madrid, is the primary UN agency for promoting responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. IATA. The International Air Transport Association, established 1945, headquartered in Montreal, represents nearly 300 airlines, fostering safety and efficiency in air travel. ICAO. The International Civil Aviation Organization, established 1947, headquartered in Montreal, is a UN specialized agency that sets standards and regulations necessary for aviation safety, security, efficiency, and environmental protection. WTTC. The World Travel and Tourism Council, established 1990, headquartered in London, represents the global private sector of travel and tourism, driving sustainable growth. The comprehensive framework for India's cultural and tourism sectors is built upon three foundational entities: infrastructure and regulation, conservation standards, and visitor services and access. These elements integrate into a national strategy for cultural tourism development, encompassing heritage protection and tourism promotion. The Archaeological Survey of India focuses on preservation, the Ministry of Culture promotes India's cultural heritage, and the Ministry of Tourism manages tourism development and promotion. Additionally, the Airports Authority of India manages aviation infrastructure and services. India's cultural institutions work in concert to protect its rich past while shaping its vibrant future, making heritage accessible to all. Preservation is paramount, with organizations like the Archaeological Survey of India ensuring that India's historical treasures endure for generations. Strategic promotion by the Ministries of Culture and Tourism actively positions India as a global cultural and spiritual destination. Enhanced accessibility is vital, with transport ministries making India's diverse heritage accessible to visitors worldwide. For more detailed information, please refer to the official websites of the respective ministries and organizations. UNWTO is the main UN agency for A. Agriculture, B. Tourism, C. Environment, D. Trade. Answer B. Tourism. Answer B. Tourism. Which organizations standardize international air travel? A. ICAO, B. IATA, C. WTTC, D. UNWTO. Answer B. IATA. Answer B. ICAO is associated with A. Civil aviation, B. Railways, C. Maritime transport, D. Road transport. Answer A. Civil aviation. Answer A. WTTC stands for A. World Travel and Tourism Council, B. World Trade and Transport Committee, C. World Tourism and Travel Corporation, D. World Transportation and Tourism Council. Answer A. World Travel and Tourism Council. The headquarters of UNWTO is located at A. Geneva, B. Washington, D.C., C. Madrid, D. Paris. Answer C. Madrid. Answer C. Madrid. The Indian Association of Tour Operators, IATO, was founded in A. 1982, B. 1990, C. 1975, D. 1980. Answer A. 1982. Answer A. Which organization accredits travel agencies globally? A. UNWTO, B. IATA, C. WTTC, D. UFTA. Answer B. IATA. Answer B. TAI was established in A. 1951, B. 1960, C. 1970, D. 1985. Answer A. 1951. Answer A. ICPB is concerned with promoting A. Heritage tourism, B. Adventure tourism, C. MICE tourism, D. Ecotourism. Answer C. MICE tourism. Answer C. In which year was the Airport Authority of India, AAI, established? A. 1984, B. 1995, C. 2000, D. 1991. Answer B. 1995. Answer B. Who is the current Secretary General of UNWTO? A. Taleb Rifai, B. Jurab Pololikashvili, C. Francesco Frangeli, D. Robert Lonati. Answer B. Jurab Pololikashvili. Answer. The ICAO headquarters is located in A. New York, B. Montreal, C. Geneva, D. London. Answer B. Montreal. Answer B. Which organization promotes sustainable tourism development in the Asia-Pacific region? A. WTTC, B. PATA, C. ASTA, D. UFTA. Answer B. PATA. Answer B. PATA. The Federation of Hotel and Restaurant Associations of India, FRAI, was established in A. 1955, B. 1960, C. 1950, D. 1945. Answer A. 1955. Answer A. The Ministry of Tourism, Government of India was made an independent ministry in A. 1967, B. 1972, C. 1955, D. 1984. Answer A. 1967. Answer A. ASTA represents which group? A. Airlines, B. Travel advisors, C. Hotels, D. Tour operators. Answer B. Travel advisors. Answer B. The Universal Federation of Travel Agents Associations, UFTA, was established in A. 1970, B. 1966, C. 1980, D. 1950. Answer B. 1966. Answer Indian Tourism Development Corporation, ITDC, was established in which year? A. 1966, B. 1972, C. 1980, D. 1955. Answer A. 1966. Answer A. Which organization is responsible for managing airport infrastructure in India? A. Ministry of Civil Aviation, B. Airport Authority of India, C. DGCA. D. IATA. Answer B. Airport Authority of India. Answer. Which ministry manages the Archaeological Survey of India? A. Ministry of Tourism. B. Ministry of Culture. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Ministry of Environment. Answer B. Ministry of Culture. Answer B. Thank you for watching DKD Education. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more educational content.